guys, and welcome to day 22 of the 40 days of pours. Here is yesterday's result. I love it. I think it looks like if you're like on a street and you're looking up and you see all these lanterns floating up in the sky at night. That's what I see. So I really love that painting. It's super fun. And today we are going to be doing the hammer smash or the mallet smash, only since I'm using an 8x10 and I'm in an apartment, I'm going to be using a spoon to be smashing these instead. So I'm going to start by covering my canvas. I'm going to be wiping off my spoon in between each layer, so I'm going to have some paper towels handy. And I wanted to do kind of hot versus cold with this. So on this side I'm going to be doing warm colors, on this side I'm going to be doing cool. And I haven't used black in a while, so let's start with that. See how this goes. I think I might have smacked it a little too hard, but I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, that really splattered. That got all over my floor. Worth it. I think this is gonna turn out so cool. I might just speed through this so you guys don't have to like get my reaction for every puddle. I think I'm going to come into the middle and start doing both warm and cold colors now. Okay, I think I'm finally done messing with it. I love it. It's chaotic, it's beautiful, it's wild. It's totally me. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Alright, here we are for our close-up. I love all the different colors. I love all the different shapes. I love this right here. This right here is my favorite for sure. I mean, 100%. Look, a little pokeball. Oh, that's awesome. Gotta catch them all, you know? Anyway. Alright, well thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will be back with the dried result tomorrow.